Hi, this is my review for Sonic Frontiers on the PS4. Really great game. I recommend if you're a Sonic fan. You can see the CD there, and the little cover, it's not a manual. It's just like a little advertisement for the movie. And this is also on the inside. They give you little like add-ons. What is this thing? Skill points, red seeds and blue seeds of power. Power and defense, which like improve Sonic's skills. They make him stronger and a little bit. There's one that you can go a little faster. So if you're a Sonic fan, definitely recommend this game. I haven't completed it. I'm in I'm in the second area, which is like a desert sand area. It's very cool. So it's an open world. The only thing I would complain a little bit is before I go into the positives real quick, is it's a little confusing, the story. You're just kind of like thrown into this new world as Sonic, and they don't really explain anything. And you play for hours and hours, and they still don't really explain much at all. They explain a little bit, but you're just kind of confused, and you're like, I don't really know what's going on. So the goal of the game at the moment is to, of course, stop Dr. Eggman and rescue Sonic's friends, Amy, Tails, Knuckles, and other characters. Those are the only three I've seen so far, is Amy, Knuckles, and Tails. To rescue them because they're like trapped, and you have to collect some items to get them, to save them. And they're kind of like invisible, like they look like holograms type of thing, and you have to get some items and rescue them, and you talk to them and all of that. But I like it because it's an open world. You can literally go wherever you want. Sonic, of course, is very fast, which we all know that, but it's nice because this is an open world. You can really take advantage of his speed. You can go as fast as you want, everywhere you want, jump everywhere, go everywhere. It's very, very freeing. You're not like stuck to this. Like, usually Sonic games are like a platform. So you go straight, you go this way, and you just keep going. You don't really go back or forward. This one you can go anywhere you want. So it's really, really fun. It's a really nice game that you can just pick up for a little while, put it down. There's not like a lot going on. You're just either collecting the Chaos Emeralds or collecting items. It's not really like a big thing with the plot. You're just doing like, I don't want to, they're not side missions. You're just like collecting items. And then like for example, to get a Chaos Emerald, you have to get like these little vault keys. You have to beat a boss to get the vault keys, and then you get the emerald, and then you progress the story a tiny bit. Then you got to go back, get more vault keys, get more items, beat the boss. So it's kind of like a rinse and repeat type of thing. The boss fights are really fun. They're epic. They're really, really nice. I don't want to spoil anything, but they're awesome. The enemies are huge. They're really, really big. So it's an impressive game. Definitely check it out if you haven't played it. I have it on the PS4. I believe it's out for the PS5. So it's just a great game to check out. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the review.